Euro FX futures opened this session basically unchanged. It seems that the further lifting of restrictions in Beijing did spill over to a risk-on rally in Eurozone and help put the dollar on its back foot, but just really temporarily. We also saw strength despite continued issues in Russia and Ukraine and unknowns with the wars and in sanctions. And also, we saw the 10-year German Bund touch a 7.75-year high of almost 130. Get into the bulk of our U.S. session, dataless session. Goldman Sachs was quoted as predicting that the U.S. economy is on a narrow path for a soft landing, given the most recent inflation news. We had an early attempt on a risk-on rally here in the U.S., and since then, pretty narrow range. All eyes are waiting on later this week in the ECB decision. Right now, money markets are pricing in 133 basis points of hikes in 2022. All that with this week's expecting no change to the rate whatsoever. However, the press talk, traders thinking that's going to be very important with regards to inflation, and will there be perhaps a 50 basis point rate hike in July? So that said, looking at options, I look at CME Group CVOL, July options, 1 month basis trading the 10th percentile, 3 month basis the 35th percentile. At the money vols are fairly soft today. Skew is fractionally higher as both variances are down, although the down variance or put wing is down more than the up variance would be. Option volume fairly spread out and seeing observable volume, the 108 half calls, 109 half calls in July. On the put side, the 107 half and the 106 puts. Lastly, CME Group E-micro mini Euro FX futures continue to grow in volume and open interest. In Friday's volume, we saw 18,755, open interest of 36,991.